Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of pair of straight lines exercise 4.3 question number 7, that is find P and Q if the equation px square plus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines. First, in answer, given equation that is px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0. And comparing with the equation is general equation that is x square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then find out the value of a. Therefore value of a is equal to p. And 2h is coefficient of xy, that is minus 8. 2h is equal to minus 8. Therefore h is equal to minus 8 divided by 2, that is h is equal to minus 4. Value of b is coefficient of y square, that is 3, equal to 3. Then 2g, coefficient of x is 14. g is equal to 14 divided by 2. Then value of g is equal to 7. Value of 2f is equal to 2 coefficient of y, that is, therefore f is equal to 2 divided by 2. Then we get value of f is 1. And value of c is constant, that is q of given equation. And we have already given the condition that is lines are perpendicular, and we know that the condition that when the two lines are perpendicular, at that time a plus b is equal to 0 is condition. Value of a is p and value of b is 3. Therefore value of a is equal to p plus b is 3 is equal to 0. Then we get the value of p is equal to minus 3. We get the value of p is minus 3. Then we know that the condition for the pair of straight lines, that is ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. Put the values here. A, B and C. Value of A, B and C is, value of A is P, that is minus 3. Then B is 3, value of B is 3 and value of C is Q. Therefore ABC is minus 3 into 3 into Q plus 2 FGH, value of F, G and H. F is 1 here, value of F is 1. F is 1, G is 7 and H is minus 4. Value of H is minus 4. Therefore that is 2 into 1 into 7 into minus 4. Then minus af square, value of a is p, that is minus 3 minus minus 3 into value of f is 1. Value of f is 1 minus 3 into 1 square. Then minus b into g square, value of b is 3 minus 3 into g is 7 square minus value of c, that is q, into value of h is minus 4 square is equal to 0. Value of p is minus 3 here. Therefore minus 3 into 3, that is minus 9q plus 2 7 14 into minus 4 minus 56 minus 9q and here minus 56, then minus 3 into 1 square 1 plus 3, then minus 3 into 7 square is 49, then minus q into 4 square minus 4 square, that is 16, is equal to 0. Then we get minus 9q minus 56 plus 3 minus 3 into 49, we get minus 147, then minus q into 16, that is minus 16q is equal to 0. Then minus 9q minus 16q, we get minus 25q, that's minus 9q and minus 16q. Then minus 56 plus 3, that is minus 53, minus 147 is equal to 0. Then minus 25q minus 53 minus 147 is 200 is equal to 0. Addition of these two terms. Therefore, minus 25q is equal to 200. Therefore, value of q is equal to 200 divided by minus 25. Then we get the value of q, that is q is equal to minus 8. Therefore, the value of p is equal to minus 3 and value of q is equal to minus 8. We get the required values, p equal to minus 3 and q equal to minus 8. Then next question is question number 8, that is find p and q if the equation 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines. Same example of question number 7. Then given equation, that is 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 equal to 0. Comparing with condition only change, that is parallel lines. Comparing with general equation ax square plus 2hxy plus py square plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then the value of a, comparing the value of a is coefficient of x square, that is 2. Then 2h coefficient of xy, that is 8. H is equal to 8 divided by 2. Therefore, we get the value of h is equal to 4. B is equal to coefficient of y square, that is here p. And 2g is equal to coefficient of x, that is q. 2g is equal to q. G is equal to q divided by 2. Value of g is q divided by 2. Then value of 2f is equal to 2 coefficient of y, that is 2. Value of 2f is 2. Then f is equal to 2 divided by 2. We get value of f is 1. And value of c, that is constant term, minus 15. The given lines are parallel. We know that the condition of parallel lines. that is h square minus ab is equal to 0 is condition. Therefore h square minus a into b is equal to 0. We know that the value of h is 4, that is 4 square minus a is 2 and value of b is p. 2 into p is equal to 0. 4 square is 16 minus 2p is equal to 0. Therefore 16 is equal to 2 into p, and therefore the value of p is equal to 16 divided by 2. We get value of p is equal to 8. Value of p is 8, and that is b equal to p. And we know that the condition for pair of lines, that is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. Put the values of a, b and c. Value of a is 2, b is p, that is 8, and c is minus 15. Therefore 2 into 8 into minus 15 plus 2fgh. Value of f is 1, g is q divided by 2. Therefore 2 into 1 into g is q divided by 2, and h is 4 into 4 minus af square minus a is 2 and f square is 1 square minus bg square, b is p, value of p is 8, that is 8 into q divided by 2 square minus 15 into h is 4 square. H square is 4 square is equal to 0. Then 2 into 8, 16 into minus 15, we get value is minus 240 plus 2 to get cancelled, and we get 4q. Then minus 2 into 1 square, that is minus 2. Then minus 8 into q square minus 8 into q square divided by 2 square is 4. Then minus minus plus 15 into 16 is equal to 0. That is minus 240 plus 4q minus 2, 4 into 2, that is minus 2q square plus 240 is equal to 0. Then minus 240 minus 2, we get minus 242 plus 4q, then minus 2 into q square plus 240 is equal to 0. Then minus 240 plus 240, we get minus 2 plus 4q minus 2 into q square is equal to 0. Then multiplying by minus 2, then we get the above equation is minus 2 get cancelled, we get plus 1, then minus 2 4 plus, that is minus 2q, minus 2 get cancelled, and plus q square is equal to 0. Then above equation we write such a way, that is q square minus 2 into q plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the explanation of q minus 1 bracket square is equal to 0. Therefore we get q minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of q is equal to plus 1 and value of p is equal to 8. We get here values of p and q. Okay, we will stop here.